Hey, are you playing with your truck? Yeah? Hi, are you playing with your truck? What? Well, you can't see because you're being filmed right now. Say hi to the camera.
Hi, Kim. Hi.
Say hi, camera.
Hi, camera.
Hey, say hi, camera. How about you say hi?
Hi, Karen, not a friend.
Ethan, can you say hi?
Karen, not a friend.
It's not a friend?
No.
It's going to be watched by friends.
Hi.
Friends are going to watch you. What truck are you playing with?
Second hand.
Can we see it? Whoa, that's a big truck. What did you get that for?
For Greenland.
You got it for Christmas last year, remember? Yeah.
For me.
Hi.
I see.
Look, can you see Ethan? There's E.
I see.
Hi. Oh, are we cranky? Is it time for bed, Ethan? Is it time for night-nights? Are you going to night-nights? Hey, what do you have? What is it? What is it?
It's for mine.
Where did that come from? Did Daddy bring that home? What was Daddy on? An airplane. Did you see pictures of the airplane?
Yeah.
So where are you going? Where are you traveling to? You don't know where you're going? Alright, we'll talk to you later, buddy. Say bye-bye.